Hello everyone. Now it's story time. And in the previous video we had seen a story about Arun and his tummy ache. And you had seen that Arun is telling a lie because he don't want to go to school on that day. So he was telling lie to his mother that he has a tummy ache. And afterwards what happens that all of you had seen in that video. And I know that I think some of you are doing the same thing with your mama if you don't want to go to school. It is very bad. If you don't want to go to school on particular day, you can tell to your mama, Mama, I don't want to go to school today. Please allow me not to go. But don't tell a lie to your mama. Okay? So for the story, you can refer the previous video again. And now we are going to start the question answer that is given here. First question. See, I am telling the answer for your reference because sometimes it happens. I had seen in orals also that you can't frame a question in English. You know the answer, but you are telling me in Hindi. We don't have to speak in Hindi. You all will answer in, you all have to answer in English only. So I am telling the answers for all of you. So it will be easy to remember. First question, why did Arun tell a lie? All of you know that what is the answer? Why did Arun tell a lie? Arun told a lie because he did not want to go to school that day. Arun told a lie because he did not want to go to school that day. Understood? Now, next question. How did mother find out that he had lied? उसकी मम्मा को कैसे पता चला that he was telling a lie? Mother found out that Arun had lied because the whole day he had sweets, chips, wafers, sandwiches, and many more snacks. See, Arun was telling that he had a tummy ache, but throughout the day, pura din, what he had sweets, chips, wafers, sandwiches, and many more snacks. So his mother find out that he don't have any tummy ache, but he was telling lie. See, it is simple thing na. If you have tummy ache, you can't eat anything. Really, if you have tummy ache, you can't anything. But instead of that, Arun was eating so many things during the day. That is why his mother find out that he had lied. So the answer is in a single line, a single sentence, that is, he had sweets, chips, wafers, sandwiches, and many more snacks. Third question, why did mother not believe Arun the next day? See, for the whole day, Arun was telling that he he had tummy ache, and then also he had eaten so many things. So on the next day, really he had a tummy ache, but on that day his mother not believe that he had tummy ache. So why happens like this? Mother did not believe Arun the next day as he had told a lie a day before. उसने अगले दिन ही उनको झूठ बोला था. That is why she was feeling that today also Arun is telling a lie. The simple answer is that mother did not believe Arun the next day as he had told a lie the day before. Okay. So these are the answer for the question. And now let's understand some points. A child in your class might take your new pencil box and say that is hers. This is a lie. Sorry, that is a lie. Your friend might break a window with his ball and say he did not do it. That too is a lie. See, it happens so many times whenever you are in the class, somebody is taking your pencil or eraser or any other thing and they are telling this is mine only. It happens with you so many times. ऐसा आपके साथ कई बार हुआ होगा. That somebody is taking your thing and they are telling that is his. So that is a lie. If your friend lies to you, you would not like him or trust him. And you know that he is taking your pencil and he is telling that that pencil is his only. So you know the thing that is whose pencil was that. So the next time what would you do? What would you like to do? You don't want to talk to him and you don't trust him also. You feel that he is taking my all the things, so you don't like him and you never trust him. If you tell a lie once and then tell the truth the next time, no one will believe you. If you tell a lie once, then tell the truth the next time, no one will believe you. If अगर आप एक बार झूठ बोलोगे and the next time if you will say the truth, nobody will trust you because everybody think that you are telling a lie only. So whenever you are saying the thing, they all will feel that you are telling a lie only. Lies can hurt our friends and family. Whenever we are telling a lie, we are hurting our families and friends. So it is important to always tell the truth. So that is why it is very important that we have to say the truth only. We don't have to tell a lie. So I hope all of you understood this story and remember that you always have to tell a lie. You always tell the truth, never tell a lie. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this and keep in mind that you always tell the truth. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. After watching the video, try to read the chapter from the textbook. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day.